and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you all my October beauty favorites. The day that I am filming, we are having an overcast day and it just could not feel more like fall. I also made myself a pumpkin spice matcha latte. Amazing. Just to get me in the spirit. As you know, I have been avoiding coffee. It just makes me very kind of jittery and anxious. However, I don't know why, but I can do energy drinks like the Alani Nu energy drinks. I feel like you're either an Alani Nu person or you're a Celsius person. I am an Alani Nu person. And I've really been enjoying this. I have been taking the supplements or the pre-workout before I work out, and I don't get jittery, I don't get shaky, and I don't get anxious. So I have been loving that, I guess. That can be a favorite. But where was I going with that? I feel like I've tried a number of flavors and they do the trick without making me anxious at around 3 o'clock. So yeah, I don't know where I was going with that. So October beauty favorites, I have a healthy mix of products to share with you all, from skincare, makeup to body products. For the month of August, September, I was using Best Jelly Cleanser as my cleanser for morning and my second cleanse. But for the month of October, I finally dipped into the SixGldn Botanical Cleansing Gel, which gently removes makeup, oil, and impurities. It contains adaptogens, angelica root, burdock, and antioxidants. The packaging is absolutely adorable. It is a glass unit and it does contain or come in a pump. This is cruelty-free. And it does have a bit of kind of like an herbally, earthy type of scent, very botanical type of scent, if you will. Do not like that. This is probably not going to be for you, but I have been enjoying this a lot. I take 2 pumps in the morning after my workout, and then at night after removing my makeup with a cleansing balm, I'll use 2 pumps of this at night. It has done an excellent job at removing sweat, grime, debris, and actually cleansing my skin at night without drying it, causing any irritation. It's just a very lovely, lovely formula. SixGldn sent a care package a long time ago, and I have just been swimming in loads of skincare products that eventually I am bound to get to all of the products that I have been waiting for me. Another new item that I have been loving is the Merit Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. This can be used morning and evening. You don't just have to use it under your makeup, because I do know that Merit is a beauty makeup foundation type of brand, but this is their first ever skincare product, and this contains 4 different types of hyaluronic acid to hydrate, plump, and to give your skin a very healthy glow. I think that this contains oils and water-based products, which is why you can see kind of like the separation happening here. But so you are supposed to shake well and then massage 2 to 3 pumps of this onto skin before your moisturizer in the morning or evening. This is the serum that I am wearing underneath my makeup today, and I think it looks great. When I was doing my makeup today, my skin just had a very radiant, healthy glow to it. So I suspect that if you have very dry skin, or you're dealing with dullness, this is really going to help you target that in perhaps the same vein that the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Serum, except that one I feel like is oil-free, and this definitely contains some oils because, again, you're seeing the product separate. The packaging here is absolutely beautiful. She's stunning. she is the moment. And what a beautiful color to kind of get you in the mood for fall. Another product that I have been loving this month is the Drunk Elephant Wonder Wild Miracle Butter. I recently did a product review on this product, so I will link it up above in case you missed it. I have been enjoying this multiple ways. Initially, I use this on the face whenever I was just environmentally stressed, dehydrated, to really just kind of rescue my skin. I used it on the face a couple of times without any additional irritation or congestion. Recently, I have been using this as a lip balm at night, and then a couple of days this month I used it on my hands. During fall, my hands just get very dry and achy, and this just comforts my hands at the end of the night. I feel like this may be a must-have if you live in drier, colder climates during fall and winter. A little bit goes a long way, and I did see that they recently launched a much smaller size. I'm not sure if it's still available at Sephora, but do definitely have a look, because 2 ounces of this will last you forever, especially if you're like me and you just use it on the lips, and every now and then for a bit of a slugging effect on the skin, you use it on your complexion. For lips, I am wearing this beautiful combo that I discovered. So I have already favorited perhaps some of these before, but this is the Kosas Hot Liner in the shade 100. So this is what I have on the lips to line them. As a lipstick, I have the shade Baby from the Signature Lip Lightweight Lipstick from Merit. Just love this bullet here. It's an absolutely stunning shade. So that is she right there. And then I just have that on my lips. I mean, if we can apply more lipstick, why not? Over top, I have the Merit Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil in Taupe, which looks like this on its own. So this is the lip stick, and then this is the lip oil. Just look at those shades. Very, very beautiful, lovely, stunning packaging, especially like for fall and winter. For blush this month, I have been obsessed with the Benefit shade in Pom Pom. This is a pomegranate rose blush. It is the shade that I am wearing today. I have been wearing this all month long. Do a swatch for you. I feel like it's just perfect for the season. I am wearing a self tanner on kind of like my entire body, and I am wearing my summer shade of the House Laboratories. Let me know if you know where that one's from in the comments down below. But I was not in the market for a new foundation. I saw this in like one of the Dr. Lee guys' Instagram, and I was like, you know, gimmicky. But I went on to Sephora, and then I saw the display for this foundation, and I swatched her, and she just looked stunning. So I picked her up in kind of like my bronzy shade. That is the foundation I am wearing today, and I wore it to my sister's wedding, and it lasted the whole night. I wore that foundation throughout the entire weekend. We went wine tasting. We spent the whole day out and about, and I've worn this whenever I have some self tanner on. Absolutely stunning, natural finish, medium coverage foundation. If you're in the market, highly, highly recommend. I don't think that this is considered clean beauty, and if it's not, I really do not mind at all. This is the Triclone Skin Tech Foundation. It includes arnica, which is a great skin soother, anti-inflammatory as well. Stunning. Beautiful foundation. This makes me want to try other House Laboratories products. So if you have tried anything by them and you love it, let me know in the comments down below. Another beauty product that I have been loving, I did get my hair done for my sister's wedding. We did go a little bit kind of darker and more kind of brown. Neutral on the highlights. So my brows, I had to kind of tone them down a little bit, and I have been loving these Benefit products. This is the Precisely My Brow Pencil in 3.5. I love the applicator here. You can it's a retractable pencil and it's very thin. I'm not sure if it will show up here. But there's the line, very thin, very precise. And I have been pairing the shade 3.5 with the 24-hour brow setter. This is clear and the applicator looks like this. Very, very interesting. I do have a get ready with me that I may post before or after this video. So if the video is already live, I will link it up above for you where you can see me actually using these brow products. This is what kind of softens up the brow, as in kind of makes my natural hairs a bit lighter here. This is the Give Me Brow in 3.5. I'll apply a little bit more here, but I'll show you what the wand looks like, and the color is definitely kind of more brown, more neutral, and it just makes my natural brows look a little bit lighter and definitely gives them a little bit more volume as well. So I have been loving this as well. I do love a full, thick, jutesy brow, and these products have been getting me there, as my definitely roots are lighter but more on the brown neutral side. Everything will be linked down below for you if you'd like any more pricing. Also, Fur very generously sent over a lovely care package, I think in September, and I have been using these products all month long. Let me actually start with this. However, the Billy products very generously sent over a, what is this? Razor and their whipped shaving cream. This is nourishing protection for the softest, smoothest shave. I'm an esthetician. I have a wax kit, but I don't like going to get waxed, and I don't like waxing myself. I feel like I kind of scare myself and freak myself out when I'm about to like pull the muslin strip. So I am a shaver. I still use a razor. I am probably ancient that way, but I love the shave. I especially love the shaving cream. This is definitely more nourishing. I feel like as soon as I started using this, I started to get less itchy on my legs. So I have been enjoying this. This smells like lavender and bergamot, and it's very hydrating. The packaging is very nice. I have been following it with the Fur Ingrown Eliminator Serum. Powerful and smoothing. You can see just how much I have used of this product. So after I shave my lady bits, I apply a couple of spritz of this, and then I go in with this very kind of, you can tell I've been using this, the Ingrown Concentrate. This has been a lifesaver to my lady bits. Why didn't I use this before? I feel some sort of relief, a lot less ingrowns in that specific area. Enjoy these, would repurchase, would recommend, especially if you suffer from ingrowns, discomfort, perhaps some dryness as well in that specific area. I love wearing just leggings, so those can be tight and that can cause a lot of friction. So these have been just a lifesaver. Something for my KP sufferers, that is definitely me. Right now, my KP just looks disgusting because I have been picking at it. But when I wasn't picking at it, it looked amazing. Something that I have added to my body routine is the Fur Silk Scrub Gentle and Exfoliating. So that is not the one I have been using for my KP. The one that I have been using for my KP was in the restroom. So I've been using the Fur KP Body Scrub Powerful and Exfoliating, which looks like this. Again, still equally as simple and beautiful. This will target KP roughness and bumps for a total skin overhaul with 14% AHAs, very similar to Honeymoon Glow, except this also contains a physical exfoliant. This non-stripping dual action body exfoliating combines the benefits of microdermabrasion and chemical exfoliation for a complete body resurfacing. Again, you can use this 2 to 3 times a week, similar to what I mentioned earlier, but this also contains lactic acid, shea butter, and lavender oil as well. But this is what this looks like. And I do take a tiny amount. I work it over my arms, my elbows, and then I do let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes and then I rinse it off. After that, I apply a little bit of my Paula's Choice Niacinamide Body Serum, and then I go in with the fur oil. I know it looks like I haven't used much, but I literally use about 2 drops of this in each arm every day that I can remember. I feel like one week I definitely went and used this all week long, but I have used a ton of this. I just don't know why it looks like I haven't used much. But I feel like this definitely gives my arms, my body a nice glow, and it has definitely helped to manage my KP. That is all I have for you all today. Let me know what your product favorites for the month of October were in the comments down below. Thank you for spending some time with me today. I know I was a little scatterbrained today. I have no idea. I was going off on tangents, but I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for spending some time with me today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.